Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on things around us. Inyanja zintu zoti zungulira. So let's listen, read and practice. That's the only way we'll improve our nyanja. Nyumba, nkoloko, mpando. So it doesn't matter whether it's a stool, a sofa, it's still mpando. Njinga, zuva, mwala, plural, myala, mtengo, ndeke, mwezi. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you've not subscribed, please use subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I post a new video.